Dear students, let us continue the next topic of the third module. That here in this video, there are three topics we are going to study: command line arguments, environment list, memory layout of a C program. So let us see the command line arguments. Like that using the main function, we can send the command line argument. So when a C program is executed, the process that does the execute can pass command line arguments to the new program. So when a C program is executed, a process that does the execute can pass command line arguments to the new program. Using the command line, we can send some arguments to the program. So let us see. Echo all command line arguments to standard output. Using the command line arguments, we have written this program which will echo, or it will display all the arguments passed through the command line. So let us see. So we are writing hash include apue.h. Here it had some necessary header files. So integer main, integer argument c, char star argument v, integer I for I equal to 0. Here argument c is nothing but number of arguments we are passing, and star argument v, it is the array of pointers which will hold all the arguments. Now we have to display all the arguments. So for I equal to 0, I less than argument c, I plus plus. Argument c is nothing but number of arguments we are passing. Now we have to echo all. So printf argument v percentage d is percentage s, and I argument I. So here I stands for 0 first time. So argument 0 is nothing but argument vi. So in this array, whatever the first argument is there, that will be displayed here. So like that only how many arguments we have passed to the main function. So all the arguments will be displayed here using the for loop, and once it gets completed, then it will take a exit 0. Here 0 is the exit status. So suppose if we run the program, suppose the program name is echo argument. So this is the first argument. Then we have three arguments we are sending. Argument 1, test, and 4. So argument 0, this will be considered, program name itself will be considered as first argument or 0th argument. So argument v of 0 is echo argument. Then argument v of 1 is argument 1, argument v of 2 is test, and argument v of 3 is 4. Environment list. So each program is also passed an environment list. Like the argument list, environment list is an array of character pointers with each pointer containing the address of a null terminated C string. Like that here. Suppose environment list is there. In this list, each one it represents like home. It represents the home root home *0 variable. Then another environment variable is path, which represents